history of mankind, there's been a number of extraterrestrial or alien life forms who have made contact with humanity. Contrary with what popular culture believes, they're not all greys or reptilians. Here's a list of less known alien races that have visited us. Number 1. The Essassani. These types of aliens are actually gray-human hybrids, more specifically the Aryan gray species mixed with human beings. According to reports, because the gray aliens, through their continuous genetic mutation, became unable to reproduce, they ended up being able to survive only via cloning. Apparently, humans are in agreement with the Greys to share our genetics, hence the amount of abductions that has happened in the past. While human beings exist on the third dimensional plane, the Essassani exist on the fifth. Their alternative future is set 700 years in the future, and being directly related to the human race, the Essassani take it upon their race to guide humanity to ascend to their advanced level. Number 2. The Syrian Hybrids. The Syrian Hybrids have been deemed to have a striking similarity to the blue aliens in the film Avatar. Highly advanced beings belonging to the sixth dimension, they are in relations to the Essassani and Earth. They are deemed to be the father race to us humans, and from the very beginning of human existence have been in contact with us. According to the scrolls and legends of ancient times, the Syrian hybrids were what helped form the genetics of the human race. Examples of this would be the connection to the Egyptians, who worshipped to a higher god. Sources have claimed that the light depicted in many Egyptian artifacts are actually the Syrian hybrids and their assistance to the Egyptians in building their empire. Number 3. The Atanians. Otherwise known as the praying mantis aliens, long narrow faces with large slanted eyes and the body of an insect. Reports have claimed that despite the physical appearance of this creature, they are intellectually closer to humans than to insects. Being 6 feet tall, these creatures range from a light gray to a golden color. It has been said that the giant praying mantis-looking creatures have tried several times to make contacts with humans in the past to avert humanity from disasters, but because of their physical appearance, were met with negative responses. Despite their appearances, they do not prey on humans, but instead feed off of plant juices. Yet now they've evolved into a stage where they feed directly off the power of the sun. Despite everything, reports seem to claim that these creatures are friends of the human race and are actually quite intelligent. There has been no accounts of these creatures harming us. Number 4. The Arcturians. The oldest race in the Milky Way, the Arcturians are an evolved race of super beings who live in a crystal blue ball 36 light years away from Earth. Being one of the most advanced races ever, their starships are also the finest in the universe. It's been said that the Arcturian race was the first race in this galaxy, and it is them that has spread their seed all over the Milky Way, including Earth. Physically, Arcturians are a blue color, about 4 to 5 feet tall, and have a huge cranium, a huge brain. They are able to move objects with their telepathic minds. The average lifespan of an Arcturian is 350 to 400 years old, and they are unaffected by sickness and disease. Their overall evolution was based on spirituality. Even in reproduction, male and female Arcturians will bond mentally to produce a life form. Arcturians eat very little and sleep very little. Sources claim that they only sleep once per week. Their mission here on Earth is to educate the human race and help us ascend to the fourth dimension.